The mill gives every guest an opportunity to see what it was like in the 1800s.
So keep your nose in the grindstone, you smell it.
This whole process started in October of 21. I received a call saying that the first gear inside was rubbing against the floor. When we investigated it, we had realized that the shaft itself had gone sway back or settled in the center. When that happened, we knew we were done.
My background is I did apprentice as a really noted millwright, but I also tell people that my biggest teacher is the mills themselves. And that's what kind of keeps me interested, because it's an investment of time and energy in these projects, because they do go on for years. So the big first step was to locate a new white oak log that was of sufficient quality. Working with DNR, they had located 2 candidate trees. Their #1 candidate, we all went out and looked at it. It branched like 34 feet up from the ground, was the first branch. So it was definitely of size to make the new shaft. You know, first we dropped the tree, and then we let it weather or season. And then from there, it went to my shop, and then we did the actual like precision shaping of the shaft. The shaft is always a bit of an art to it, because you're really working with what that's going to do. You can't bend it to your will. You have to work with its will. What I have here, we have all the components of the water wheel. It's a 24-foot diameter water wheel. These are
The contractors knew they had the material for the wheel, but we were concerned about the wood that goes around the flume all the way up. It's 550 feet long. About the time this discussion was occurring, the tornado hit McCormick's Creek State Park. They were able to salvage over 220 poplar trees, and were able to take those trees to a sawmill, get them cut into dimensional lumber. We were able to take a really bad situation and repurpose that.
The wheel is a 24-foot wheel, which is a big water wheel. The number of arms, which are 10 arms on the wheel, is dictated by the diameter of the wheel. A wheel will, when it gets wet, it will expand, and when it dries out, it will contract. And so you have those constant movements working back and forth. Layout and construction of a well-made wood wheel factors that in and utilizes it. So there's no fasteners actually holding the buckets in, it's all in joinery. And that joinery doesn't fail with the constant expansion and contraction.
For me, the central part is that the previous shaft lasted 67 years. So my hope is that the work that we've done here is going to be able to make it another 67 years.
When people come out to Spring Mill, what I'm hoping they take away from it is an appreciation of history. It's what happened to me when I first went to a windmill, and that's how I became interested in it. It has no idea where a visit to a village, a historical site, a water mill or a windmill, where it will take you in the end.